Today, I'm bringing you some simple decluttering tips for those moments where you only have a few minutes to spare. Maybe when the kids are quietly playing, or taking a nap, or you're making dinner. It is amazing what you can accomplish in just 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how sprinting through decluttering tasks is just as effective as marathons. First up, we are setting a timer and going on a clutter hunt. There are so many hitchhikers around your home begging to be decluttered. The broken trinket on the shelf, the old magazine sitting on your coffee table, that empty bottle of perfume. Set a timer for 5 minutes, grab a box, bag, or bin, and run around your home picking up items that are quick and easy trash decisions. Typically, these items are on surfaces: the dining room table, the counter, the bathroom sink, shelves, and dressers. There are hidden items too, in case you want to take a quick peek into your pantry or lower cabinets. And of course, the junk drawer. It's called that for a reason, by the way. This first one is simply a numbers game. It's less about where you're decluttering and more about tossing as many random items as you can. Everything you collect should be an easy toss. If you hesitate, leave it. Don't bother wasting time, just move on to something else. Next are our shoes for a quick 5-minute win. Shoes take up a lot of space. Did you know that Americans spend more than $400 per person each year on shoes? And most of them chill on the floor of our closets, never to be worn. The ones we have worn and never will wear again also crowd our spaces, and often for no reason at all. So use those random floating 5 minutes you have to go through your shoes and toss, donate, sell, and keep. And check out this genius organization solution from Temu. I got this over-the-door shoe rack for $8.69. It's quality, durable, and super easy to install. I can quickly organize my shoe collection and free up valuable floor space. You can use it to store seasonal stuff too, such as gloves and scarves. Huge thank you to Temu for sponsoring this video. If you don't know what Temu is, it's an online marketplace that has everything you need at incredible prices. And I do mean like crazy affordable. Check out this under the sink organizer. It used to look like a hot mess. And for $22.04, I got 3 beautiful white pieces, which were so easy to assemble. And look how amazing the transformation is. They currently have a site-wide sale for 70% off and free shipping. Download the Temu app, link in the description, and use code DNU8365 to get a $100 coupon bundle. Next up, office supplies. It's amazing how quickly these things can pile up. I work from home, and sometimes all I have is a few minutes in between client calls. So I take the time to declutter stuff on my desk or in my office bins. This keeps my small space very neat and tidy and doesn't allow it to get out of hand. You probably know that decluttering paperwork is hell. Do a few papers at a time and maintain what you've already done. If you're enjoying my video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. Next item on deck that only takes 5 minutes is in the area where you spend most of your day, yet forget to declutter. That's right, hello,
Mr. Refrigerator.
Your fridge probably feels a smidge neglected. Expired condiments, old takeout, maybe even mystery items. Next time you're in your kitchen making dinner, take advantage of the time. Pop that bad boy open and just toss easy items. Feel free to move on to your freezer next. Moving on, let's tackle the medicine cabinet. It's amazing how many expired medications and old products can accumulate there. Such a small space can be crammed like a New York City subway during rush hour. Put on those reading glasses and spend 5 minutes decluttering the medication. Declutter medication that has expired as well as those that you no longer use.
Why do they make the font so small?
Some medication will have specific instructions for disposal. For others, you can check with your local pharmacy if they have take-back programs. You simply drop them off and they take care of the rest. Another safe way to dispose of medication is with coffee grounds, kitty litter, or dirt. This helps disguise the medication and discourage consumption. And of course, remove labels before tossing the bottles. And here's a little 5-minute bonus tip. You can always tackle one random box or drawer. Don't you just love random mystery boxes and bins? I do wonder what's in there. Grab a box and go through its content. And there you have it, 5 minutes of intense decluttering, and look at all the progress that you can make. Remember, decluttering doesn't always have to be a marathon. Sometimes a quick sprint is all you need to make a big impact. You'll want to watch this video next. It's the Decluttering Survival Guide. All you need to know to get started, stay motivated, and get results. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to be good to yourself.